Welcome to ANR Solver question 5. The table shows the sum values for y is equal to the following equation. For minus 3 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 3. So for solving this, all you need to do is substitute the values of x into the equation. So 3 divided by 10 multiplied by minus 3 cube, which would be minus 27. And minus 3 into minus 2 would give positive 6, so plus 6. You would get an answer of minus 2.1. Then for minus 2 you do the same thing, and for the rest of the values as well. So 3 divided by 10 multiplied by minus 2 cube is minus 8, and minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 is plus 4, so plus 4, which will give you an answer of 1.6. 1.6. Now you do the same thing for 1, so 3 by 10 minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 would be minus 2, and 1 cube is 1, so this would be minus 1.7. And for 3, so 3 by 10 multiplied by 3 cube, which is 27, and minus 2 multiplied by 3 is minus 6, so you would get 2.1. So now for part A we completed the table. Now let's move to part B, where we have to plot the graph on the grid. So for minus 3, the y coordinate is minus 2.1, so that would be right here. For minus 2, the coordinate is it's negative 2.1, so right here. For minus 2 it's 1.6, positive 1.6, so right here. For minus 1.5 it is 2, so right here. For minus 1 it is 1.7, so right here. For 0 it is 0. For 1 it is minus 1.7, right here. For 2 it is minus 1.6, right here. And for 3 it is 2.1, so right here. So now all you need to do is join the dots so that you can make the graph. This, and make sure to use a ruler so that you get an accurate drawing of the graph, like this. Like this. Now for part C, on the grid opposite, draw a suitable straight line to solve the equation, to solve the following equation. So for minus 3 to 3, okay, so as you can see here, I've drawn a small table for the values of minus 2 to 2, and then you can just extend the line to one more point so that it will become minus 3 to 3. So let's plot it. So it's 1 comma 0, so right here. Minus 1 comma 1, right here. Minus 2 comma 1.5, which is right here. And 2 comma minus half, so that is right here. Now all we need to do is join the points and then elongate it to the end of the graph, like this. So let's do this right here. and make sure to use a ruler so that you get exact answers. Right here. Okay, so the three values of x where x intercepts the graph. So one of them is -2, as you can see right here. The other is right here, and the third is right here. So for the second one, it would be -0.4, and for the last one, it would be 2.3. Yeah, 2.3. Now let's move on to part D. For -3 to 3, the equation has n solutions. Write down the value of n. So first let's draw the line y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1, the line will be drawn like this, and make sure to use a ruler again so you get a straight and exact line, so that you can get a proper answer. So they are asking us, so basically in part C, as you can see, they've given us that this equation equals to this, and over here they are giving us this equation equals to 1. So therefore we can write that half multiplied by 1 minus x is equal to 1, and therefore they are asking us how many times the y equals 1 line intersects this expression or this curve. So that would be one time right here, once at this point. So therefore your answer would be, so the final answer is equal to 1, because it has only one point of intersection.